This is how to create viral 3D models using Tripo AI. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial guide on how to create 3D models using their image to 3D model generator. Step number one, what we need to do is go and research viral trending products. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in the home improvement space because I feel like this is a really easy niche to get into. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. Go to Google first, and then what we're going to search for is trending home decorations. This is a huge avenue for 3D printing because it's actually pretty easy to do. And as you can see, there's tons of items. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to look at the paid ads, because the paid ads are tried and true for what companies are pushing as products. So as you can see here, these are what people are running paid ads for. And these are probably pretty popular items. This is from Pottery Barn. And it appears to be like two kind of like aesthetically pleasing squares. So what we're going to do here is we are going to take this image and we are going to save it. So click on it, right click, save image as. All right, so we have the image saved up here. Then next, we're going to go over to ChatGPT or any of the AIs of your choice. We're going to upload the image and we are going to ask AI to recreate this. And I want to give you guys a fair warning with this. We're going to use AI to use the styling to recreate a model, but we cannot just straight up copy this. That is copyright infringement. So listen closely on how I do this. Good morning, ChatGPT. Can you take this image and use the same type of styling to create me another cool trending shape that might look really cool inside of your home as a decoration? It's crucial that you don't just copy it, but come up with a new design, but use the same type of styling. All right, so here's the design it came up with. I actually really love this. It's completely different. It's using the same type of styling though. Next, what we want to do here is we want to save this image. Step number two, next what we want to do is go on over to Tripo AI, the website. I'll put my affiliate link in the description. It's super powerful. So what we want to do here is click on the 3D workspace tab up here at the top. And we want to come over here and upload our image, because you have to remember, this is an image to 3D modeler. So then we're going to upload it and we're going to choose the ultra mesh quality setting. And then we're going to click on generate model. So here's the model it came up with. This is absolutely amazing. What type of filament would this look the best in? Almost like a matte black to kind of look like a stone, or maybe grayish. So the next what we're going to do here is we are going to 3D print this. So I'm going to go down here to the export button, and then I'm going to do this in an STL file because I don't need colors. What's great about Tripo AI though is that you can actually do colors. Like I can do multicolor stuff, just have to save it in the OBJ file. All right, next what we're going to do is we're going to upload this file into my slicer to send it to the 3D printer. Okay, and we're going to send that to the Creality 3D printer. All right, guys, so here is the 3D model. It's done 3D printing. It actually turned out pretty well. I printed this in a PETG. So I did one of the designs and I think it would actually look a lot better with multiple. So I actually printed a couple of these. And I think what a person would do is maybe put this on a shelf and kind of mix them together however they want. So I think women, especially on Etsy, really eat this stuff up. So check out this design. I mean, there's a couple different layouts you could do. You could even do like something like this. I'm not super good at decorating like women are. And I know there's going to be haters in the comment section. Oh, Chris, that's not going to sell. A million people have tried that on Etsy. But guys, if I've learned anything about selling 3D models online, it's that you don't know what will sell until you try it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let's move on to the next model. All right, so let's go back to Google and look for some more inspiration on things that we can create 3D models with using Tripo AI. So what I told you guys is I like to look at the ads companies are running. This is kind of the secret sauce because I've worked in the marketing world forever, and companies run paid ads on tried and true products. So that's what I would use for inspiration. Something like this looks really good. This is another Pottery Barn item. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get a clear picture here. This is a little bunny rabbit and it says sculpted bunny collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, save this image, then go over to ChatGPT and I'm going to import it, and I'm going to give it direction. You have to be really careful with the direction you give it. Hello, ChatGPT. Can you help me use this design I've uploaded for you to use the same type of styling of this type of decoration and create me a new image model? The image I gave you is of a bunny rabbit, but maybe you could make me one out of a cat using the same type of styling, but make sure not to copy it because that would be copyright infringement. Just do something similar with the same type of styling. All right, so here is the image I came up with, and I think this is amazing. This is really easy to 3D print too. Most of the footwork in creating 3D models using AI is thinking about where the supports are going to be on your 3D model, and then also making sure you have a nice flat surface for the model to start on, because things that sit on a flat surface are good for shelves and putting it places, and it also helps to print your 3D model well. Judging by this, I don't think we'll have many supports at all, if any. So we're gonna go ahead and download this, save the image, upload it into Tripo AI, click generate model. Okay, so this turned out pretty good, the model in Tripo AI. So we're gonna go ahead and save this and try to print this. Then next what we're gonna do is we are going to upload it into the slicer here. I'm gonna use a Bambu 3D printer for this one. I think we're gonna print this in PLA, and I think I wanna do it in a gray. So I'm going to click slice here on the preview tab. I want to see how bad the supports are going to be because I absolutely hate supports. It does say that we will need supports, so we're going to go back here. We're going to try the tree supports, reslice it. All right, so there's a couple of supports here down by the arms here. I don't really love that, but it is what it is. I think this is still a cool model. All right, so let's send that to the Bambu Lab A1 to 3D print. All right, guys, so this is how this model turned out. I actually like this guy. I don't know what it is about it, but the thing's actually pretty cool. And I think a lot of cat people would really eat this up. I actually had some issues with some of the layers on the bottom, and I don't like how small it was. So I went ahead and I 3D printed a larger one. So here this is, and I thought it might look cooler in black. So I did like a shiny Pet G. This one actually looks really cool. I asked my girlfriend and she said this is the coolest print that I've done today. And I fixed the bottom, so that's a lot better. I mean, how are cat people not gonna love this? And I think there's a lot of cat people out there. Again, hit me up in the comments. I gotta know what you're thinking. All right, guys, so for our next design, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go on over to ChatGPT and I'm just gonna ask it, can you help make me a trending with the letters home being the sign itself? Make this look like a model that could be laid on top of a shelf or hang on a wall or something along those lines. All right, so here's what it came up with. I know it seems pretty simple and maybe a little gimmicky, but guys, women eat this stuff up. And remember, we are targeting women on Etsy. All right, so next what we're gonna do is we are going to save this image. Next, we're gonna come back over to Tripo AI and we're gonna upload that image. Here it is right here. And then we are gonna click on generate model. All right, so here's the model it created. It's actually really simple, but I feel like simplicity is really in right now, especially for like these small little things. You know, women love these little signs in their homes, like live, love, laugh, home, family, all this stuff. So what we're gonna next do is we are just going to export this as an STL file. What I wanna do is I'm gonna do multicolor 3D printing on this, but I'm just gonna save it as the single color STL for now. All right, so next I'm going to import this into the slicer. I'm gonna do a really cool trick with this one, guys, so pay attention. What I wanna do here is I wanna auto-orientate this and face it down. So what I'm thinking here as far as colors on this, what I wanna do is I wanna have most of it like an olive green. I feel like women really eat up this olive green color. All right, let's just do that. It won't be perfect. I know the color. I have it downstairs in the filament. All right, then for the secondary color, I want to do black. So next we're gonna slice this, and I'm gonna show you a cool trick that you can do multicolor in and have almost zero filament waste. So I'm gonna flip this up here. When you're on the preview tab here in your slicer, what you can actually do here is zoom in and you can see the layer lines. This layer line tool over here, the layer height tool. If I come over here, what I can do is right when it switches to the other letters, what I can do is right click, change filament, and I'm gonna change it to black. See how it changed this filament to black on the line here? So if we move this layer height tool back up, and then click slice all, you can tell here, this is now a different color. And I think this is gonna look really cool. Doing multicolor this method at what it goes the layer height saves you a ton of filament. All right, so let's send this to a 3D printer. I'm gonna send this to the Centauri Carbon 2. I have black PLA lined up and olive green PLA right here. Make sure all the settings are correct. Looks like the PLA colors have lined up. And then I'm gonna click print and start that on the printer. So here's the model 3D printing on this Elegoo Centauri Carbon. It turned out pretty decent. It took a couple hours to 3D print. All right, so this one turned out okay. I think it's a little too basic to probably take off. I think maybe 1 million people have already thought of this. And there's kind of a little mess up on the end there. So I'm not really digging this. Let's move on to the next. And I get a lot of questions regarding these AI image to 3D modeling tools. And one of my favorites is the one we're using right now, which is Tripo AI. I've done a bunch of videos on these different tools and I'm trying to test every single one of them individually. And I'll have a future video coming out on the best one, but I'm still doing some testing here. But Tripo AI is definitely the best one for doing multicolor. Again, I'll throw my affiliate link in the description. And yes, this is a paid tool, guys, but for what you can do, the amount of 3D models I've created, it's paid for itself tenfold. All right, let's go out and create one more viral 3D model using Tripo AI. So let's look back at Google here. Let's look at some of these paid ads. All right, so I kind of like this black metal sculpture. This looks like it could probably be pretty popular. So I like the design and idea of it. So we're gonna save the image. Then we're gonna go back to ChatGPT and upload the image. I've uploaded an image of a viral trending piece of home decor. I want you to use the same type of styling, but make me a goat as a different animal. And remember, don't completely copy this image because of copyright infringement. Make something similar with the same type of style, but different. All right, so that's too similar. See the difference here? That versus that, it just looks like you're stealing it, and I really don't like that. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna upload another image of a file that I found that looks a little cool, that looks pretty cool. It's a goat. So here's the image right here. You can kind of tell the horns kind of spiral. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to use that type of design. Hey there, I noticed that the design you created is too much similar to the one I uploaded. So I've uploaded a new image of a goat that has sort of a spiral-like design horns that kind of go up. Can you replicate that same style of horns, but keep the same theme and layout of this item? All right, so this is pretty cool. This is a goat. I do kind of like this. It's copying it less. So let's go ahead and 3D print this. I am going to save the image and then I'm going to upload it into Tripo AI like we have been. Then I'm going to click generate model. So here's the model it came up with. And I think this is absolutely amazing. I'm trying to think, we probably won't have too many supports. I'm gonna immediately save this as an STL file and we're gonna get it into the slicer and we're gonna 3D print this one as well. All right, so here it is. I got it in the Elegoo slicer here. I'm trying to think of a good color to print this in. I feel like this either needs to be like a gray matte. Could be really cool. We can break that support away pretty easily. And again, you can mess around with the settings. You can mess around with the surface finishes. All right, so we're gonna send this to the 3D printer. All right, so here is the model. I think it turned out really well. The textures are pretty cool. I did have some messed up layer lines below here and the supports got kind of funky. I'm a little hesitant about the gray color, but what I did is I went ahead and I 3D printed black and I fixed the bottom a little bit better. And yeah, I think this would look cool on a shelf, right? Like gray or black. Let me know in the comment section. I know that black look kind of looks cool, especially in like a modern home, but yeah, I don't know. So we've done 4 designs now. We did that decoration looking thing. We did the cat, which is pretty cool. And we did the home sign, which is lame, I think. And we did the cut off legs goat style character. I don't know, guys. It's a pretty good day. I think this stuff could sell on Etsy or maybe at trade shows, maybe at your local craft store. This should get the ball rolling for ideas. This is how to create viral 3D models using Tripo AI. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial guide on how to create 3D models using their image to 3D model generator. Hit me up in the comments down below how you're feeling about this. And before you go, guys, I just released a video on the top 7 different filament types that you need to be 3D printing in. There's a filament in particular known as TPU that you need to check out. It's like a stretchy like filament that is my new absolute favorite. The video is right here and I'm confident you're gonna love it, guys. It's right here, guys. The video, it's still here. You gotta check it out.